everyone, welcome back. Today we'll make one more painting on Worli art. Now this is much simpler than the one we have done earlier. Again I have taken a paper and we will be making borders on all four sides. To make the borders, I am using an OHP marker. You first make it with pencil and then do the outlining with the marker. To start with it, we'll make borders on all four sides. And we'll make a very simple pattern for the borders. And then we will be creating the Worli art images inside it. I have already uploaded a very detailed painting on Worli art. You can always check that. And okay, now to make very simple borders, what we'll do is we will be making the slanting lines, haphazard lines we will be creating. There are many borders, many different styles of borders for this. To make it very simpler, I am making this. Just a quick recall, these paintings are from the state of Maharashtra. And they were made on the walls initially. And nowadays they are very famous. We'll make one more painting where we'll do the colored background. And that kind of a painting again we'll make one more. So we have made this. I did a mistake here. I had to do it. It's okay. Okay, now what we will do is we'll later color one and we'll leave one. So we'll do that kind of a pattern later. Now I will teach you how to make a tree in the Worli pattern. Okay, so it's very simple. What they do is they make a branch like this first. And they make leaves. Now these leaves are in a shape of a drop. You can always see them. They create the leaves in the shape of a drop. They have a lot of branches. And what they do was they used to celebrate life. So for everything, and what they used to make was they used to make everything what they feel and what they used to do in their daily lives. So that was a part of their living. So these are the kind of trees they used to make. Now a lot of triangular pattern are used in these paintings. Okay. So what we'll make is how to make the figure is we'll make a circle, we'll make a small line, we'll make one triangle, we'll make one more opposite triangle. Now this is the body structure and we'll make legs. Everything in the line drawing. Now they are holding the sticks and these are the hands. One more figure the same way. Triangle, one more. Then we have these legs and these are the sticks they are holding again. Okay, I'll make one more person. they have made a lot of now here we are not making any spiral chain. I'm just making a very simpler version of Whirly art. Okay, and a hut. For that we'll make 2 slanting lines. Okay, and hut is ready. Now to fill the colors, what we'll do is we'll make a lot of patterns, lines, and we'll fill the colors with the black color only. I'm giving a lot of lines. Okay, so it's looking like a hut. Now here I'll give straight lines. You have to make them freehand. Don't take scale to do that. Just make freehand patterns. Again, I'm making the freehand lines. So you learn how to make these patterns. Okay, what we'll do is we'll give some grass. Our drawing is done, and we will use I'm using a thick marker. You can take any sketch pen to color it. So we will just color the figures. Okay, we'll color these triangular parts only, and you can get a very beautiful artwork. Hope you all enjoyed watching this. Do make it and share your pictures, and I will also share the link of the earlier Whirly art which I have created, so you can always click that link and watch that video. Bye everyone, take care, stay safe and stay happy.